Good morning to all of you. Justice R. Mahadevan of Madras High Court yesterday issued a set of directions to universities. At the same time, it will be applicable to all, with directions to terminate the staff who convert after securing a job under the reservations quota. That is to say, suppose if A joins a job under the quota of SC, then if he converts his religion to Christian and he will become BCB, and now he has to lose the appointment under that particular category. So this was already there, but some people try to create some forged documents or try to use their influence and getting continued in the same cadre, in the same quota. So this is not acceptable. Actually, this has come as a topic from the Bhartiyar University regarding the misdeeds made by the appointment committee. Actually, Dr. K. Ramesh and two others, they filed a writ petition in the Honorable High Court of Madras challenging the appointment of Mr. Gautaman as Assistant Technical Officer Library and also promoting him to the Technical Officer cadre. So they are actually having grouse against the man because actually he was an SC by caste, but he was professing Christian. He converted into Christian, and once he converted to Christian, normally he becomes BCB but not SC. But still, keeping the cadre as SC, he was given promotion. Of course, to the sorrowful state of affairs are like that. Even though the court interfered, the university did not care, and they allowed him to retire also. Now the High Court has said he should not get his future benefits. That's all what can be done from the side of the court. Right? So this is the state of affairs, these things. So right from Champakam, Dorai Rajan, we have been continuously discussing Nagaraja case, all these cases we have been discussing about the reservations, but still one such incident has to come to light. So Madras High Court Judge Mr. R. Mahadevan issued a set of instructions. So regarding the appointments in the universities in Tamil Nadu, it also directed the termination of illegally employed persons. They should be terminated, that's all. Right? So he writes, if a person who got the job under the reservation quota and if he converts to another religion thereafter, definitely he has to forego the right of appointment under such quota. He will not have to continue. He will not have to continue under the same quota, and he should be terminated. Of course, sometimes people, the candidates, after their overzealousness, they may give false information, and normally this happens with SC and BCB. The SC is converted into Christians. And not only they, but sometimes it happens like that. So if they try to secure appointment under the false information, in such cases, the appointment should be annulled and the appointment should be revoked at the earliest, and recovery of the pay and also legal action should be taken against him under the provisions of section 420 because of cheating, or if they created a false certificate 467, forgery purpose, cheating, all these things you can add. This is the direction of the court. Right? So here another point is because they have safely asked him to allow him to retire. So now the Honorable High Court has found fault with the selection committee also. So it is because of the selection committee who have allowed him to get promotion. Therefore, the persons who selected him, so the staff selection committee who gave the illegal appointment and promotion for Gautam Menon, they should be held liable. An inquiry should be conducted against them, and they should be made liable, and amount has to be recovered from them, which is not possible. So unfortunately, the illegal appointment was not cancelled, and this man, Mr. Gautaman, was allowed to retire happily. Now the only alternative left to the court is that his future benefits like pension, other things, they should be withheld, and of course for him, that's all. But anyway, these are the directions regarding the Bharatiya University. Not only that university, so many things will be happening everywhere. But anyway, once again, the judgment has come as an eye-opener to all the persons. The only here, to conclude, I want to tell you only one thing. So, if any person joins as an employee or gets an employment on a particular quota, if he converts his religion, definitely he has to lose his reservation. There is no other go. So normally you may be commenting, what is this? The Honorable on the Constitution of India it says you can profess any religion. You can, Article 25, all these things are there. Even right, Article 19 is also there. But still, please remember, there is no objection for you to profess any religion. You can convert into any religion, no doubt. But when you get a job under a particular quota, then you have to forego it also, because you can't enjoy the usufructs of the particular quota by changing your religion into some other religion and by going to another caste. This is what is the sum and substance of this particular case. Very good judgment. Please read it and enrich your legal knowledge. Thank you.